This is a look at the Dudley side valve for a toilet. What I want to show you is the mechanism by which you can move the arm either to this side or to that side from a central position. Now what I've done is to move it over to that side. However, even doing that, it doesn't move far enough to one side to clear here. What I've done, I've pushed in some foam which applies pressure and moved this over a little bit, which allows movement up and down of the arm. Now I shouldn't really need to do this, and I think it's design fault of Dudley. They ought to have an extra position so you can move even further along. And I don't think this toilet is unusual. I mean, it's a slimline one, but it's still, design is of a toilet. So I wouldn't have thought I should be having this problem, but I am. I'm not very impressed with Dudley at all. So there you are. Perhaps that's my idea. I can't really say much more about it. There's an adjuster which you can adjust to get it to fit in, and you probably do that before you attach it. There's also underneath, you can see, don't know whether you can see there's a white plastic screw mechanism, and I think that's set up to stop it falling too far. But that's a bit of a pointless exercise because it's not going to fall very far anyway. I mean, it's just a waste of time having this plastic screw in. So I don't think it achieves anything. Now the other problem I've got, if you look here, I haven't explained it, but I've put a plastic tie in there, and that gives a little bit of extra support to the valve so it shuts off. And I found that necessary because the water level would go too high if I didn't have that. So at the moment it's an inch below the escape, so that's good. Now you should be able to adjust what you have here to alter the height of the water, and I can't see how you can do it because there isn't anything there. So it's a crazy design. I'm not impressed with it at all. So that's Dudley. I want to show you what I took out. This is the one that came out of the toilet, and it's a different design. It's got this mechanism which goes up and down, that moves an arm which shuts off the valve. When the water comes out, it flows down this pipe, and it's designed to be very quiet. And that's lasted 20 years, because I can remember putting it into the toilet. So that's a very good design, and I'd recommend that to you if you can fit it into the space available in the toilet. That's a good one. There's a much better one than this rubbishy one.